So I am writing a new play. Okay, let me start over. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Pelisiwe Twenstra. I am a writer. I write plays, I write films, I write short stories, and I write novels. And I am now writing a new play. I'm super excited because the last play I wrote was, I think, early 2022. That was my last play, and it got published by Bloomsbury in London. It was part of a collection, and it's called Gendering Taboos. I'm going to put a picture here so that you can see it. So I was so excited because when it came out, I was already here, and I knew that there was the play that's the last play, actually. So my worry was, what am I going to write about? What would my next play be about? I had no idea. I had many ideas. Sometimes, because I write so many mediums, sometimes a concept comes up, and then I think maybe it's not enough as a play. It might be good as a short story. So I've written quite a few short stories. Last year I wrote about 3 new short stories throughout the year, and that's a big thing for me. And while I was doing that, I was working on a screenplay, and which last week I have sent it out to the producers. Yes, finally happy. So now that producers are looking at it, and hopefully we can move on to the second phase of the project. So while that's out, I have 2 new projects that I'm working on. One is a children's play, and the other one, which is one I'm working on now. The other one is still a concept, but actually I'm working on 3 plays. I'm working on 3 plays. Okay, one it's urgent, and I'm working with a Nigerian playwright as well. With that, it's a co-writing thing we're doing together. And the next one is a children's play, and the third one is the one that I'm working on now. And oh, my shoulder. I'm so excited because it's funny because I'm working on plays, but I do miss writing a short story. It's so weird. Anyway, so now I am working on a scene, and it's funny because I'm working. Oh my god, you guys are so close now. I'm working on an opening scene of my play, and it has changed about 3 times now. And every time I write this opening scene, I always think, oh, it's a strong opening scene. It's good. It's strong. But also I realize after some time, I get another image, then I want to give it a try. So I'm very much in the beginning stage. I'm doing research. I'm reading quite a bit. I'm reading lots of plays. I'm going to show you now just what I'm reading. Okay, wait. Just give me a second. I'm going to get all the plays that I'm reading, and I'm going to show you. Yeah. Okay. So this is everything I have read or I'm still reading. Okay. So my goal with this new play that I am so excited about. I think I'm not excited about the play itself. I'm excited that finally I'm writing a play, because believe you me, I had no idea what would be my next play. Okay, so I have many goals for this play. I want to try things I haven't tried with my previous plays. So I have written about 12 plays, and 3 of those plays have been published. So I want to, with this one, it's very special. So I want to try something new, and I don't know what it is yet because I'm in my very early stages. So I haven't started reading this, but this is one of the books that I'm reading. Super excited. And also I'm reading this as well. I haven't started. I have finished reading this one. It's quite amazing. It's quite amazing. As a theater director, and I'm thinking this is a yummy book to direct. So I have read this, loved it, but all these plays are for research, yeah. And finished race. I went through moments. I went through several moments of discarding this book, but I'm so glad I did. And I have so many thoughts about it, but also I love how controversial it is and how it tackles race, identity, and yeah, I love it. I've read this one. I'm still reading this one. I'm gonna finish it very soon. And I'm currently also reading this one. I love The Well King. It's by Lucy Kickwood. I think I loved Lucy Kickwood, and I didn't know this playwright, but I'm so happy I'm reading it. It's the dialogue here is incredible. And I always write two-handers, two-person shows. And I think my first ensemble work was Iche. And there I really played with how to personalize characters and differentiate characters, also using dialogue and using action and movement. So this one has that as well. It has so many characters, and it's quite interesting to see how the writer has carved each dialogue to fit the character. Yeah. And I wanted to read actually I got this book. It's not a book, it's a play. It's a collection of plays. Which I'm super also very excited. So I wanted just one to read one. I was advised to read one, which is called The Shipment by Yang Jin Lee. But I am absolutely looking forward to read And Jesus Moonwalks the Mississippi by Marcus Gardley. And then there is this one, in the Continuum by Danai Guerrera and Nicole Salter. So those are still the books that are the plays that I have to read. I never was a big play collector. I've always read unpublished plays, or read I would go to a secondhand shop and get plays there, but I never was a big person to buy, but I got funding, and it helped me to get all these for my research. So I'm watching a lot of plays. I'm researching a lot about being, I don't want to tell you but you can see with the themes of these plays what kind of play I am working on. But I don't want to say anything right now. I don't want to say, but I'm so tempted, but I'm not gonna say. But yeah, this is the playwright mode. I'm in a playwright mode. I finished being a screenwriter. I finished being a short fiction writer for a bit, and now I am entering my playwright mode, and I love it, and I missed it, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to hear these characters and what they say and what they want and what is it that they're trying to achieve and what is blocking them and who do they meet. It's fantastic to be in this country, and I still feel I have a voice, and I am using it, writing this new play. Anyway, this is me. This is me. Okay, let me get back to it. Bye. She's unfair.
Yeah. F you guys, you're not fun.
Such a baby.
Yeah, no, I have a trauma.
Oh,